He started with yellow cross and the solution is absolutely amazing. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it because the solution is super brilliant and creative. And on top of that, he did double X cross as a piece of cake. Alright, let's just find the cross edges. Well, they are here, 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 and here. And also he did double X cross with these two pieces, I mean green and red, and these two, green and orange. So he did vital prime, solve this edge, and after that he went for these two edges and one of the X cross edges. Because this one is already solved, so he went for the second one. Alright, he did D, RF prime, and set these three edges in correct spot because they just needed D prime from being solved. And as I told you before, he solved one of the X cross edges. This one was already solved, so he went for the second one. And let's keep on. For solving the last cross edge, he set these three in opposite color, and after that he went for this one and also one of the X cross corners. So he did U prime, LF prime, and set this one in opposite color. And as you can see, he solved this 2x2 square, and this is the main technique for doing X cross that I told you before in my last breakdown video. So because of that, he did L2 and connected this corner to this edge and made another 2x2 square for the second X cross. And at the end, a D2, and there you go. Very nice double X cross. And finally, the third pair, really easy, just like that. But instead of inserting this pair by doing R, U prime, R prime, he put it over there and did R, U to R prime to set these two pieces in an easy F12 case. So he did R, U to R prime and went for these two. Super easy, only 3 moves, 1, 2, and 3. And then OLL and PLL. And that's it. But I'm gonna do this solve one more time, but this time I'm white cross for those who are not color neutral. So be sure to check this out. And I put the slow motion of this amazing solve at the end of the video. Don't miss that. And catch you later.